Copy, John. What do you got?
Got AQ loading cargo into a barge.
That's your target. Get aboard and find out who they're working with.
Rog. Sentries on the perimeter.
Yeah, AQ guards all over the docks.
You'll need to take them out to get to the barge. You two get to work. Out.
All right, let's split up. I'll take the outside. You clean up the docks. Stay quiet. I'll meet you at the barge.
Check. On your cab.
Sergeant.
Captain, I got a gun.
Go easy with him. Any AQ left alive could be trouble. Kill him quiet. Work our way to the barge. Let's get this done.
Dropped one.
Well done, mate.
Watch your 1 to Bravo. Give me a sit rep.
Working our way to the barge. Burying Alcatala at sea.
Get in there as soon as you can. We may not have much time, John.
AQ down.
Well, where they came from?
I'm topside.
AQ's got another patrol boat. Take it. Yes, that patrol boat needs attention. Take it if you can.
شوفوا عم يسمعوا بهذا الاتجاه.
Guys, that patrol boat could be a problem.
AQ down.
Good work, Sergeant.
شو اللي عم يصير؟
Got 2.
Well done, mate. Guys, that patrol boat needs attention.
AQ down.
Stay on it. Guys, I'm near the barge. Get here when you can, but don't get careless.
Check. Almost there. Clear.
Right with you, Sergeant. Let's get onto that barge. Gates locked. On me. Laswell, we're about to board.
Copy. Tell me what you find.
Rog, out. Listen. Spanish.
Sounds like it.
You said?
Good to go.
Look at this. That's Almas. Mexican cartel.
The hell are they doing here?
Laswell, Around using the cartel for transport.
Give me a name, John.
Las Almas.
Hassan's working with narcos.
Stand by. Orgies on narcos.
More cartel. All clear. It's his phone. Cartel's meeting with AQ.
Might as well. Find Cafe GARRICK. Something's about to go down.
When?
1 hour.